Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we learned how to highlight the text like rathee, like this. So let's get started. First we import the all image. Then we pre-comms this, and change the name into the news. Then we create solid layer on it. Then we select the layer, and apply crop effect on it. Then we press Alt and click on there, same as I do. Then we press T and decrease the opacity. After this we will set the text which needs to be highlighted. You are doing the same as I do. Then we click on the crop left, and set a key on first frame. Then we click on the bottom left, and after some frame, we set a key. Then go to first frame, and animate this. Then we press D for opacity and change the value of 100%. Then we change the mode to multiply. Then we same process for the highlights of other text. After done we render it. Then we import the render video and apply transform effect on it. Then we set a key on it like this. After 20 frames we change the sum value, according to us. Then we go here, and press U. We copy the keys and paste here. Then we go here, copy the keys and paste here. Then we select all the keys and press F9. Then we import the film effect video. And scale it. Then we change the mode to multiply. And it's done. We successfully create highlights on the text. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for upcoming updates and amazing tutorials.